Hey y'all, welcome back. I haven't done a long video in a little while. Today I'm going to go into this hive here and throw some supers on top. At least one, maybe two. I might throw one on this one too. Not sure. But we got a whole bunch of bees over here. I'm gonna have to find one for that one too. And that one. But for now, we'll just work on this one. Let me set my camera up and see what they look like inside. Here's what the back of this one looks like. So they're pretty packed in there. And the boxes are offline a little bit, like gravity shifted them, so I can fix that too. Hopefully you can see everything. I have not been in here in a while. Man, they really chewed this insulation up. It's a little windy. Hope it doesn't knock my camera down. Let me reposition this. Okay. It's a little stabler. Let everybody know I'm here and it got stuff to do. Oh, what am I kicking? Man, that thing is really on there. Okay. I think it's about time we put a new one of these things on. Actually, not too bad looking up here. We got nice straight combs going on. How to get this first one out of here. Okay, there we go. Rolling bees, damn it. So I rolled two bees. I'm probably just gonna go ahead and take this frame out of here. Nice strong one. Capped nice. Put this off to the side. I wouldn't be surprised if they swarm while I'm right here working them. Another fully capped. They didn't draw that little part. Yeah, maybe I'll just end up harvesting this whole top box. Let me find an empty box to put these in. Alright, put this one away. Okay. So now I can leave these. They have a little bit of uncapped nectar on there. And then it looks like I'm getting into brood here. And this is Put a deep and 2 mediums. Some drones. They'll hatch those out, fill them out. But they're loaded. They're ready for a super. They've probably been ready for a while. Get these bees out of the way so I can push this frame back. This one. Leave that one there. Maybe I should get some out of the other side too. Let's get these honey frames out of here. Little dash of smoke. Let's see what this one looks like. This one's not going to be easy to get out either. Stuck in there. Alright, not so bad, not so bad. Looks like oh, okay, there's still a little room to work here. Foundationless frame. Looks like they're refilling some. They're going to refill those drone cells over there that probably just hatched recently. So we'll put that one back. Yeah, it's all brood past that. First put in 2 empties there, so if the queen wants to lay in there, then I'll put a super on top of that. Alright, I found 2 frames. One was nice on this side, and this side I probably scraped it off. That's a really ugly little sticky, and this one probably from a dead out. Looks like an animal ate it. But they'll fix that. Keep them nice and tight together. Alright, not bad. Oh crap, I forgot I wanted to line these boxes up. Let me see if I can even do that. Oh man, slipped even worse. Alright, that one's lined up now. I don't think I'm strong enough to lift up those 2. Move that one. So I'll do that at a later date. Ah, people. This is a shallow. Has really nice straight combs in it. That'll be nice. And I'll stick a medium on top of that. This one here is also full of stickies. Different. That's a nice one. It's nice. It's scraped a little bit. Threw a foundationless right in the middle. They'll either make me a nice foundationless or they'll just make two big fat combs. Either way, I don't care. This is just going to be the honey area, so I don't really care. There. No big deal. Straightforward adding a super. Oh God, okay, these people ain't letting me alone. So I guess, you know, they really chewed that up. I don't know why. Alright, well, we'll just bump these back in. Ah! Where was their entrance at? They had an entrance in the back, right? Like that. Or maybe it was the other way. Huh. Yeah, I think it was like that. Got a bunch under the lid. You gotta watch out, man. Don't put that lid on like that and squish a whole ton of bees. This little spider nest out of here. Damn, things really stick on you. I'll just bump them off. Ah, get off my lid. Alright, they'll find their way back in. I got a toll hive. I feel like a real beekeeper today. I feel like I don't know, some kind of Canadian beekeeper. I'm a Canadian beekeeper with a big ass tall hive. Alright, so now let's go around the front and look at it. Wow, that looks like a goddamn beekeeper hive. I don't usually have them that big, but this year I'm just gonna see if I can make some honey. What the heck? I always do anyway, but see how much they can make. Okay, I'm back. I was just gonna end the video, but I figured while I got you guys here, I might as well add a super to this one too. See what they look like. This one, these two are mother-daughter colonies. Had these bees forever, never treated. Of course, you know I always say that. Unless you're new here, then you don't know I always say that. A little bit of ants up here. This one's not as booming as, oh look at this, we got ants up here. Where's my smoker at? Oh, back here. Let's see if I can smoke these ants out of here. I think they live in here. They probably live inside of the hollow part of this thing. I will get rid of that and put a new one on. Okay, good. Perfect timing. They didn't cap this side. Oh man, that's perfect. They have brood right there on the second frame. Maybe, you know, I can't make a video without showing it, I guess. I guess I better know that they're even clean right. Okay, so it's not brood, it's pollen. Oh, look, there's the queen right there. She's up in the top. She's on your left right there. There's definitely brood on next frame, and we know we're queen right, because there she is. So this is a really simple one. All I'm going to do is just put this frame back in, add the super on, and get ready for some black locust honey. I would probably throw another super on, but I gotta clean up some equipment so that I can have another one. And I really don't even like using these shallow frames, but they're drawn for the most part, foundationless. I just line it up. I could even take one out and make them nice big fat frames. Of course, I like to make everything difficult for myself. Alright, we're just going to put this back on. And let's see, that could have just been a couple ants. I don't see any more. I'm just going to put it back together. So there you have it, just regular beekeeping stuff by a regular, not famous beekeeper. Not famous yet. Getting famouser every day. Alright, now thanks for watching, y'all. See you on the next one.